In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram call not working. So the first thing that I recommend that you guys do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Test your speed frequently. And guys, what I recommend that you guys do in order to test things out is switch between Wi-Fi and also mobile data and see which one does perform better. Now, another reason why this could be happening is that Instagram servers are currently down. So if Instagram servers are down, then in that case, all you need to do is just wait for Instagram to actually fix these servers, and typically they don't take that long to do it. And all you got to do is just look up Instagram down detector on any web browser, then go ahead and select on this link right over here. And if you notice that there's like a gigantic spike over here, then chances are the Instagram servers are down, and that is why you're not able to do Instagram calls. It's also a good idea to always update the application. Another thing that you guys want to do is you want to disable data saver. So Instagram's data saver feature may limit call functionality. To turn it off, go ahead and press on your profile picture. To the top right, go ahead and select on these three bars. So you want to go ahead and select on data usage and media quality, which should be underneath the section called your app and media. So please go ahead and select on that and make sure that data saver is turned off. You also want to make sure that the other person you're calling has data saver turned off, because that will also impact the results. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.